Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg. St. Pete Power and Sailboat Show. This is the one you want to go to on the west coast of Florida. Everybody waits all year and says, all right, you're gonna get the best deal in the winter time, you're gonna get the best deal towards the end of the year. Well, hey, now's the time to do it. Come on down. If you're looking to steal a boat, you're gonna steal it at this show. So with that being said, some fun facts. 15,000 people on average attend this show, over 300 vendors. You don't want to miss it. Follow me around and let's have some fun with our MarineMax display. As always, MarineMax is obviously going to put their best foot forward with both Sea Ray and Boston Whaler. We'll get to that in a minute. However, we are offering a couple new brands this year, starting with Aviara here. Got the Aviara 32. We have Vincent, our Aviara specialist, going to tell you a little bit about this new brand.
Hey guys, Vincent Martone here, MarineMax Clearwater and Aviara luxury boats. Guys, this is the hottest boat to hit the market this year. It's the 32 Aviara. We debuted this boat back in February, and we hit the 36 Aviara here at the Fort Lauderdale show back in November. We're gonna be bringing you something new in Miami. This boat right here is the best luxury day boat, 32 feet, 10.4 beam, twin 300s. You can get it with 350s, of course, joystick piloting. Come on down here, see me, see Nick, see our team out here, MarineMax, here at the St. Pete Boat Show.
Where are we located, you might ask? Strategically placed next to the bar, the Red Gosling's tent. Go have a drink, have some fun, come on over, buy a boat. Buy a boat. What's the whole point of buying a boat at the boat show? Well, it's to spin the wheel, of course. You spin the wheel, take home something extra. That's what it's all about, having fun, getting on the water with you and your family. Working with a boat for every budget at this boat show. We've got some of our smaller stuff on trailers, on the seawall display down here. You see behind me, we've got the Sea Ray display, ranging from the 27-footer up to the 32-foot Sundancer outboard, a recently debuted boat. And over here we've got some of our more mid-sized whalers, starting with the 27 Dauntless all the way over to the 27 Vantage dual console. Of course, always a showstopper. Got a couple Aquila power catamarans here. Got a 36 outboard power model, twin 350 white Mercury Verados, and of course the 44. A little bit more of a liveaboard, something that you could spend a whole week on with the family. So we've got Gabriel over here, one of our Aquila ambassadors at the show. What do you have to say, Gabe?
Hey guys, yeah, we're at the St. Pete Boat Show here. We have two of our Aquilas. We have our 44 Aquila here. Beautiful boat, 22-foot beam, 3 staterooms on board, huge master stateroom. Come and see it. It's a showstopper. It'll be overrun all weekend like it usually is. Right next to it we have our 36, which is more of a day boat with overnight capabilities, 2 staterooms, 2 bathrooms. Absolutely beautiful boats. You can go anywhere with either. Can't go wrong with either. So come on and see us.
So like we were talking about earlier about the Aviara representing a couple new brands this year at the St. Pete show. Another one we have here is MJM. Kind of unique, a little bit northern flair. Got Jeremiah here from our Sarasota location. Really familiar with this boat. What do you have to say, Jeremiah, on MJM?
Thanks, Nick, I appreciate it. So the MJM is truly a down-easter boat, but what we're bringing to the table here is something that's quite a bit more exceptional, particularly for the couples that want to have the ability to long-range cruise and want the exceptional luxury that you get with a top-notch day boat. The storage in this MJM Z50 is unparalleled. The speed with triple Volvo IPS power options gives you something that we've never seen before in a down-easter that truly flies when you need it to. You can cut down on some of those longer commutes that you have, or just open up further designations and destinations out there for you. And of course, this is one of the first boats that adopted the co-pilot screen and some of those instrumentation to really involve the entire cockpit in the trip. That's what this boat is all about. The long trips and involving everyone who is on the boat in that trip in exceptional comfort and luxury. If you guys want to know a little bit more about it, Nick is your man here, or any of the MarineMax stores that carry this MJM brand. I'm Jeremiah. Talk to you soon.
So what are you waiting for? I got the St. Pete Power and Sailboat Show 2019 starting today, Thursday. Opens up at 10 o'clock every morning, going until Sunday, the 8th of December. So come on down, like we talked about. Best time of the year to buy a boat. You're looking for great prices, great inventory. This is the place. Come see me and the rest of the MarineMax team. St. Pete Power and Sailboat Show. I'm Captain Nick. See you here.